Previously, we got the bus transaxle installed, 3x3 trail arms taken apart, painted up, and reinstalled. Then we went ahead, changed out the stub axles and CVs, along with the axles. Got the rest of the chassis painted up and put back together. Alright, in this video we're going to go ahead and finally get this engine off the engine stand and mount it up to the bus transaxle. This engine's been sitting for quite a while, over a year now while we're doing this project, so I'm super excited to get it mounted back up, get it running again, and making sure everything is working properly. First things first, got to get this starter mounted up, and then I'm going to have to use some questionable means of using my winch to lift the motor up, since I'm going to be working by myself. The only one here is my dog Tommy, so we'll figure it out and we'll get after it. Alright, let's get to it. So yeah, I know using straps around the exhaust manifold, not the most ideal, but again, I'm working by myself here. All I got is Tommy for a second hand, and I'm doing what I can to get this engine mounted up properly. All right, let's get to it. That was a little sketchy. All right. So the bus transaxle that I installed is actually out of a later model bus. So in order to mate up the 1600cc engine with the bus transaxle, I went ahead and installed the later model clutch kit. As you're going to see, these are two different models because this was originally mounted up to a older model bug transaxle. later model transaxles, they have a different throwout bearing. You'll see it just slides right over that sleeve and then gets clipped in order to work with the later model clutch. Moving on, we're just about ready to mount the engine. Again, having a second set of hands would have been really nice, but I had to do what I got to do, and using this winch with some straps up along the exhaust manifolds, not ideal, but it did the trick, and I was able to get the engine up and put it on the transaxle. So let's get to it. Alright, and just like that, the engine is mounted. And with a little bit of adjustment with the clutch cable, clutch is working perfectly fine. And yeah, super excited the way everything came out. It seems to be working pretty good so far. Now that we got the engine all mounted up to the chassis, gonna go ahead and spin her around and continue on installing the engine. All right, and engine installed. So everything is mounted up properly and looking good. I think that's going to be it for this one. The next video we'll go ahead and try and get her started. All right, see ya.